Tamtam.
Hey friends, today let's learn words with U and OO means Hrasva U and Dirgh U. આજે આપણે રસ્વ ઉ અને દીર્ઘ ઉથી બનતા શબ્દો શીખીશું. તો શરૂ કરીએ. લેટ્સ બિગિન. કુલ means total. કૂચ means march. खुद means self. खुश means happy. खूब means much. गुण means virtue. गुण means sack. Goom means lost. Chup means shut up. Chuk means mistake. Choot means exemption. Jooth means group. Jhoot means lie. Dukh means sadness. Doodh means milk. Dur means far. Dhun means tune. Dhool means dirt. Pull means bridge. Pura means flood. Fug means fungus. Fool means flower. Booch means cork. Bhookh means hunger. Bhoot means ghost. Bhool means mistake. Mukh means mouth. Mutra means urine. Moola means root. Yug means era. Runa means obligation. Rupa means beauty. Luma means bunch. Shubh means auspicious. Sukh means happiness. Sug means disgust. Sutra means formula. Sura means not. Chakshu means eye. Bahu means too much. Varu means wolf. Vadhu means more. Vahu means daughter-in-law. Sharu means beginning. Sahu means everyone. Haju means yet. Anu means atom. Kaju means cashew. Kabu means control. Gadu means cart. Chaku means knife. Chalu means continue. Chapu means newspaper. Jadu means magic. Tapu means island. Daku means bandit. Thanu means station. Daru means wine. Baju means side. Babu means aunt. Ladu means sweet ball. Vayu means gas. Sadhu means monk. Sabu means soap. Sasu means mother-in-law. Adu means ginger. Chiku means sapodilla. Mithu means sweet. Shishu means child.
If you love our video, please press like, share and subscribe to our channel Tamtam.